my goodness. Hi, guys. So this is the mystery package that just came. As you can see, there are a bunch of different things, and I am so excited. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect for it to come today. But, let's open it. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. I'm just gonna take it out one by one. So first, we have this, oh my goodness, this beautiful, looks like tie-dye kind of poppet. It's like purple, pink, and like blue. Oh. The loud side isn't that loud, but it's still good. But, 8 out of 10. Actually, no, 10 out of 10 for the color. Next, oh my goodness, it's a dimple digits. This is literally exactly what I expected. I mean, I expected it to be like a little bigger, but it's like the size of my hand. Oh, this is textures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it goes up to 10. Because I am, my mom is Mexican. My mom's Puerto Rican and my dad is Mexican. So I know a little Spanish. But I'm still learning. Oh my goodness. This is such a cool dimple digits. Oh my goodness. I can take this on the car ride. Because I'm going on a car ride the upcoming weekend to on like a mini vacation. Because it's like 3 hours away and we always go there. It's a campsite. So I rate this like 1,000,000 out of 10. Like, this is so amazingly amazing. Okay. Next. Oh, I got these cute little pea poppers. That is, oh my goodness. Wait, these are actually way better than my other one. Because this is way easier to pop. I like these so much. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Wow, I like these. 10 out of 10. And then I have this green bike chain that I just got. Not what I expected because I already have a bike chain, but 7 out of 10. Okay, then next I got this really long marble mesh. No, it's actually a regular size, but it just looks really long. 10 out of 10. I don't really see any flaws. And then, oh my goodness, this is my first time ever getting acupressure rings. Oh, it comes with more acupressure rings. Okay, let's see. Whoa. They feel so nice. Wow. It's not even prickly like the other ones that I felt are prickly, but these aren't. 10 out of 10. Exactly what I expected. And next is my wacky track. Holy moly. Oh, look. More marble meshes. They're the same as the other one, so 10 out of 10. Or whatever I rated that, the blue one. I really like this. I'm going to connect it, though, because as you saw in my other video, if you haven't watched it, watch it already. I said, for my favorite fidget of the week, I liked my wacky track because, it was connected and I didn't like it when it wasn't connected. So this is a 10 out of 10. Like, it's super amazing. And I like the colors, too. Okay, and then the other Lucky Jack, so I'm going to connect it. Whoa, this one's actually kind of more clicky. It's kind of hard to connect it. Whoa. Ugh. It's really hard to connect. Ugh. Okay, did it. Oh, these are really thin. Not what I expected at all. I don't really like these. Oh well, I guess. Oh well, I can always get more. 7 out of 10, I'm guessing. And then I got a butterfly dimple. Oh my goodness, I've been wanting this forever. I mean, it doesn't look like the one I ordered. It looks different, really, but you know what? I like it. Because the other one was the actual butterfly dimple, but it's whatever. I think I got scammed. Well, it was all this for $15, I'm sure. Pretty sure. And then last but not least, oh, that's like a 8 out of 10. Ooh, a DNA ball. Oh my goodness. I absolutely adore this. This is so, oh my goodness. It was kind of what I expected. I didn't really expect it to be like this. I thought the balls would be like foam, but they're kind of like really hard Orbeez. Whoa, I really like this. This is like a 10 million out of 10. So I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah. So I'm gonna put these in my fidget drawers because I have 2 now. So I'm gonna go show you. Oh my gosh, I can't stop playing with this. I don't really have stress balls, but I do have a company where I make stress balls. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to my fidget drawer. Okay, so I'm at my desk right now, and this is the fidget drawer for the big fidgets that I have. This is the one for the small ones that I have, and that's like a snack drawer, kind of. So this is where I have my dimples, and my mom bought me and my sister this simple dimple, but she has an orange and green one because she likes orange, and it matches with her orange Neato. And then I'm gonna put these in. So first I'm gonna put my poppet with these poppets. This is like a really good poppet. I really like it. And then I'm gonna take my butterfly dimple and put it right here. Oh no, it's not gonna fit. I don't think. I could do that. And then move this as far back as I can. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my smaller fidget drawer. So I'm gonna close this one and open this one. It's very messy, so I'm just gonna put it in there. And then, last but not least, my favorite from Fat Brain. My Dimple Digits. Oh, yeah, that's my Squishmallow, Esmeralda, and then my Flamingo Cookie. I really love Cookie. So, I'm going to find. So, I guess, like, this is my dimple and a Poppets drawer, I guess. Now I'm gonna get my other fidgets. That's a knocked over trash can. And then this is my little shop thingy. And then I have a Minky blanket and my comforter and my headset and my school iPad. So I'm going to take my 2 wacky tracks. Oh my god, the video quality is so bad. Oh my goodness. So this is my desk. I have a computer and a lamp and all that stuff for school. So I'm gonna organize my smaller fidgets drawer. Let's see, can I put this here? Nope. Okie doke. So I'm making these into homemade snappers, because if you don't know how to do that, then maybe if we get 15 or 15 likes, I will do a tutorial, because I don't have that many subscribers right now. But I'm celebrating 10 with this mystery fidget package. Okay, I made a snapper. Okay. And my mom has so my uncle is over because he's helping my dad with something, and my uncle is my mom's cousin. You know what? I'm just gonna, okay, so these snakes go back here. And then I'll put this squishy pen somewhere else for now. This is gonna be a handful. Maybe I should clean out the 3rd drawer also for stress balls and stuff. Yeah, actually, where will I put my snacks? I don't really know. But, shh, no one knows I have snacks. I have this yellow Orbeez squish ball. And this pink Orbeez squish ball. And this pink and blue homemade globbles. But if you pull them too hard when they're sticking together, they can pop. So I'm trying to be careful, because my other ones popped. So I'm going to work on organizing, and I will film when I'm done. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm not going to show you yet. And this ripped from, I don't remember actually. It's the stuff that's on my desk peels off. Super, oh my goodness, what is this? What in the, oh, that's just a rip. Okay, well, here's the grand reveal. These are all my big fidgets. There, and then my small ones. So, this is the whole thing. This is very chaotic. But here we have marble meshes, and then monkey noodles, acupressure rings, bike chains, flip chains, tangles, infinity cube, snakes, wacky tracks, pea poppers, fidget pads, monkey noodles, and a DIY fidget that I made that's a little bit weird. It's like a straw and a pipe cleaner. but I like it. And these are really, like, cool. I heard they can come apart, so I'm going to be very careful with them. So, I mean, I have 5, but still, like, I don't want to waste them. Now that my sister has her simple dimple, she doesn't have to steal mine. So my mom's gonna come in the room at any second. Ah, this is so cool. And today I will be double posting, so stay tuned for that. And for my fidget of the video, I wanted to wait till after I package all my fidgets so I could see which one I liked the most. I'm kind of torn between my DNA ball and my dimple digits. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with the dimple digits. I really, really love it. So, my mom should be coming in my room soon. So, I'm going to be showing her my fidgets. So, I'm going to clean up the garbage and put it in my trash can because I like keeping my room clean. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to make a Orbeez stress ball. Let's do the color blue. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stretch it out this way and this way. And then stretch out this one. And now I'm going to blow this up a little. And then I'm not going to tie it. I'm just going to twist it. And then unscrew this bottle with the Orbeez in it. And put the top of the balloon on the bottle like this. And then I untwist it and then empty all the Orbeez into it. And then twist it back up. Whoa. I think I need more Orbeez. I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I filled this cup up with Orbeez, so now I'm gonna pour some of them, just a little bit, into the bottle thing. Bottle, not a bottle thing. Wow, this Orbeez super squishy. It's like squishy without popping. I think that's good enough. And I don't have to put any air in it because there's already Orbeez. So I'm just putting the rest of them in here. Okay, it's taking a little while. I almost got them though. Okay, now I'm very carefully taking it off, and I'm gonna try. Oh, my dog's trying to get out of my room. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. He was scratching at the door to get out of my room because he came in the first place. Okay, so I just cleaned up the Orbeez. And now I'm going to simply tie the balloon. Oh, this is kind of hard for me right now. Okay, I'm going to try and tie it off camera, so. Okay, I tied it up. And sorry for the noise in advance because my uncle is over helping. Oh yeah, I already told you. My uncle is over helping my dad with something. So yeah, I just made this Orby stress ball, so I'm going to put it in my fidget drawer. Just another day, another fidget. Oh look, my pink one is here too, and my yellow one. And then these are globbles from our company, M&M's Homemade Fidgets. So yeah. And this is the packaging. Hold on. Oh wait, we're currently out of packaging because we had a family gathering yesterday. And yeah, I sold some of them. Well, they were for free, obviously, because I'm not going to do that to my family. I'm not cruel. I don't need money. I'm only 11. So yeah, I'm going to put these back. And my grandma was like, oh no, it's okay. Don't put your business in jeopardy. She is so sweet. And she's actually in the video that I'm posting. It was a past video. I filmed it yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna put these Orbeez in here in case I want to make another Orbeez stress ball or someone else orders one. So I'm gonna fill that up right now. There's a leftover Orbeez right here. Okay, filled it up. I'm gonna need to fill it up a little more, but that's okay. So, yeah. Oh, so here's the packaging for the globbles, and I need to clean off the color picker because I don't need that anymore. So I'm getting nail polish remover because it works great to get Sharpie off bags. And then a Q-tip. And I'm gonna clean this off. Oh my goodness. It works perfectly, actually. And if you don't know what a color picker is, it's this. It says you picked the color, and these are the colors. And then I circle it. Oh my gosh. My Q-tip is black. Oh my goodness. Or it's kind of like a purplish hue, but yeah. Still working on getting this off without my nail polish remover going anywhere. Going everywhere, I mean. Not anywhere. Wowza. Okay, now I'm getting the colors themselves off. Oh, I need another Q-tip because my other ones were fully dark or dirty or whatever you want to call it. This is taking a while. Oh well. Oh no, I accidentally smeared some of this off. I'll rewrite with Sharpie. The globbles. I wrote globbles and then smeared off. But, ew, I could take my nail polish off with this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, it looks like someone is here. I'm gonna go get that. Who could that be? Come in.
Hi.
Maddie?
Hi there.
How did you get here?
I can teleport. It's pretty easy.
No way. Teach me your ways.
Okay. Well, first you gotta grab one of the most expensive balloons in the world.
No.
Blow it up.
No.
And then, poof. You let it go, and then you're here.
Maybe that's why I can't teleport, because I don't have expensive balloons. I only have, like, the $3 pack or whatever. So, yeah. Well, it looks like that's all for today's video. And actually, if you want me to give a room tour, then leave a like and subscribe. That's just really not what I do, because I'm a fidget YouTuber. and yet we're taking off nail polish.
Hello.
So, yeah.
You missed a nail.
Whatever.
You missed a nail. You missed a nail.
I'm ending the video, so it doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.